So today I would like to show you how I create a TikTok pattern on a fabric. In Japanese tie-dye or Shibori, this technique is called NUISHIME or hand stitch resist dyeing. In Indonesia, we known as jumputan or sasirangan. It's actually the same technique. So the first, I search the logo of TikTok. It's a bit difficult, but let's try it. Then I start to sketch with a pen marker on the fabric following the logo. I think it's resemble, so what do you think? Then I prepare a needle and thread to sew the parts that would form the motif. I sew them one by one. There are several technique stitching, of course. We'll try them all. I will show you the result at the end of the video. And look at that, it's not really that hard. Then I pull it, tighten it, and tie it, so that the tied part keep the white color and form the motif. Let's prepare for the dyeing process. Here I squirt first the fabric and I dip it in fabric dye. And this is the part that always make me excited, curious, happy at the same time, is when I open the stitches. Then tada! It's perfectly done. So what do you think? Is it nice or not? Or which one do you like? The first or the second? What should I do next? Comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.